Hi everyone, in this quick video I want to show you how to create a Figma color style. So let's go to my exercise file and just create a new shape and give it a random color. Now I want to add this color to my style or save it as a style. So here let's go to the fill section and hit the four dot icon, then click on the plus icon, which is create style button, and let's give our style color style 1, color style 1, and here as you can see our style has been created. Now to access my style, let's click on this gray backdrop, and here in the sidebar you can see all your style. For now we have only one color style, and to edit this color style just hit this edit style icon, and we can edit our style and it will affect our all the frame that contain that style. Next, we can also delete this style if we want. Just right click and hit delete style to delete your style. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.